Many people get this wrong. Why? Because they solve this way. 10 minus 1 gives 9. 10 minus 1 gives 9. And between 1 and this bracket, there is a multiplication sign. So that means 9 times 9 gives 81, which is wrong. The answer is not 81. By now, you should know that. And if you don't know that, then I will tell you why the answer is not 1. So you don't just solve this way, you have to follow the order of operation. And what is the order of operation? The order of operation is PEMDAS, where P is parenthesis. We have P, we have exponent, we have MDAS. This is the parenthesis, or it also represents brackets. Parenthesis just means bracket. So, and this is the exponent, that is the power. Then we have the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And note that multiplication and division are on the same level, while addition and subtraction are on the same level. That is, whenever multiplication and division appear together, you solve from left to right. But that is not what we are doing here. So now, as been said, we need to solve the parentheses, that is the bracket, before we move forward. So now let's focus on what we have in the bracket. 10 minus 1, this gives 9. So this becomes 10 minus 1, then bracket 9, which is the same thing as saying 10 minus 1, then times 9. Now we have subtraction and multiplication together. That means we have to multiply before we subtract. So we have 10 minus 1 times 9 is 9. And then we are left with 10 minus 9, and that gives 1. So the correct answer is 1 and not 81. So if you had solved it the way I first did, then you are wrong, because the correct answer is 1 and not 81. I hope you did not make the mistake, and if you did, I hope you've learned from this video that that approach is wrong, and I will see you in the next one.